Alright, y'all, from this to this, period. Say no, I'm just kidding, but period. Ooh, should this be the thumbnail? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Britt K here, and oh my god, do you see my hair? I need to do something to it. So y'all see the title. I'm about to do 2 big braids. Actually, I just came back from the you see my ends, my split ends are cut. Look at this, let me see. Nice split ends. I mean, what? Nice ends, straight ends. So today I'm going to just be putting my hair in 2 big braids. This is on blown out hair because I'm trying not to put heat on my hair. So far I've been 1 year with no heat, and I think I'm about to do like another year. I think I'm about to do another year, like, because why not? So if you're here to see how to do a look on a blown out hair, no heat, or achieve 2 big braids with no heat, then just keep watching this video because I'm about to do it, okay? Let me just tell y'all what y'all need. Okay, let me show y'all the hair that I have. So I bought 3 packs of hair from the beauty supply. I got 3 packs of Biba hair. I'm going to be using this edge control by Evan. I hope I don't need Eco Styler because this is going to make my hair wavy, and I don't want wavy. I don't want wavy, basically. I want like straight as possible, straight as can be. And then, you know, I got my wide tooth comb. One of these combs with like the rat tail comb. And then I think that's it. So we about to get started. So first I'm going to divide my hair into 2 sections. Make sure. Okay, my mirror is right here, y'all. So if y'all see me doing that, that's because my mirror is right here. Okay, so just bear with me, please. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to record the back and make sure I got this right. So give me a second. Let's put this side up first. Alright, so we got this side up. Let's work on this side first. Okay. So, let's see how I'm about to do this. I don't know if I'm gonna need edge control. Let's see. I am gonna put edge control right here on my edges. So get my edge control, and I'm just going to put it right here. Oh, let me show y'all what I got. Look what I got. I bought another one of these. I needed another one. These are so sweet to me. I love these with the brush and then the comb on the other side. This is sweet. So I'm just about to brush up. I gotta take my baby hairs out. No, this is not how I'm about to wear my baby hairs, okay? Do not think I'm about to just wear it like this. I'm just taking them out, okay? Push the edge right here back with some edge control. Like a nice holding edge control too. Like, this is kind of waving my hair up a little bit, but it's okay. Like, I don't mind. Cause I'm a braid it tight enough. So I'm gonna put some edge control a little bit on my part. Like a little bit on here. Okay, now we're gonna start braiding. Alright y'all, this is the hair I got. Ooh, it might be too brown for my hair, but yeah, it's definitely too brown for my hair, but you know what, I don't care. I'm about to work with it. So I'm going to start off with pieces about this big. So I'm gonna take out part like 2 pieces that big, and then I'm going to start getting bigger. So I'm going to start adding in some. My bad, my ran out of storage, had to switch the card. Well, this is where we at so far. It's not the best, but this gonna have to work because I'm not about to redo this braid. Alright, so I just braided this all the way down. I don't know. I feel like I should have been tighter right here, but I don't care. Let's do my edges. We're gonna do the edges last. Tricky. Okay, so let's take this out. I don't know what she washed my hair with, but that junk smells good. Alright, y'all, from this to this, period. Say no, I'm just kidding, but period. Ooh, should this be the thumbnail? I need to learn how to look at the camera and not the viewfinder. Okay, y'all, let's do this side. One side down, one side to go. You wanna know what's the worst thing after doing your hair? Cleaning up. Even when I do my clients' hair, I'm like, now I gotta clean up. That's the worst thing. So yeah, y'all, I've been 1 year with no heat. And these are my results. I'm sorry, y'all, these retainer things got me talking crazy, but I haven't used a flat iron, pressing comb, none of that, for about a year, a little over a year, like a year and a week. I'm gonna go down my part again with this gel. I mean, not gel, but edge control. Not that bad. I know I didn't grip tight enough in the back on this braid, but it's okay. I could put a bobby pin, but it's not that bad. I don't really need a bobby pin unless I just want one, to be honest. I'm about to show y'all though. Still braiding. Alright, you guys, the braids are finished. Let me do this. Alright, it's time to do my edges. Okay, so with my edges, I am going to use the Eco Style because listen, when I put Eco Style first and then put the edge control, it be laid like it looks so pretty. And yeah, I know I don't really use this Eco Styler. This one I use the green one, but this one is my small one, so I'm gonna use this one because this will work too, to be honest. So just use this to form your edges. I think I like that. I'm about to add my edge control on it, on top of it. So I'm gonna redo it with my edge control. I don't like this one. Alright, that's better. So this is his side. Let's do this side. That was an ugly smile. Start with my Eco Style. What did I do? Why I look blue? Blue? I'm about to change that. Do y'all edges take y'all forever because you know you just want it to look good, right? Like, alright you guys, so I think that's all that oh, you know what, let me get cute. I got some earrings. I need to put my earrings in. Hold on, give me a sec. Alright, got my earrings in. Oh, girl, my earring at the top is gone. I think it came off when she was blow drying my hair, to be honest. Whatever. Let me show you the back. I know I could have been tighter right here, but this side not that bad. Maybe right here, but I know I've been gone for a little while, but that's only because I'm enrolled into school. But I'm back. Summer about to come. I got a lot of videos that I'm gonna do in the summer, so just stay tuned and subscribe so you can get my notification. This is the look. Alright you guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you give me a like and then comment if you have any comments, any techniques, anything. Just leave it in the comments and I'm gonna read it and respond. And subscribe to my channel. And then I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.